yung sweldo is not on time. Not on time, yes. Pero ba't ako nakangiti?
What?
Anyway.
Welcome to Strategic Life. Think ahead, live better, and build the life you actually want. Every choice a cornerstone, a future truly all your own. Think ahead, live better, and build the life you actually want. The life you want.
Hello, everyone. Today I'll be answering one of the most important questions raised by, I think, a teacher then, or perhaps an aspiring teacher. This question is about the update of my work here at Seeker. Okay, kasi naka 1 year na po tayo. Actually, um, last June 9th ako nag 1 year. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga updates? And also I'll be sharing the reasons why I stayed this long. Long ba? For me, it's long na din. Kasi, di ba, some of the teachers actually may not last more than 6 months perhaps, or maybe 2 to 3 months lang sila magstay pag meron silang hindi magustuhan sa isang ESL company. Okay. So first, of course, yung rate nag-increase. Okay. At first, my rate was just for 10 RMB. Okay. Actually, nag-raise na siya when I reached 6 months. Naging 11 siya. And now, since 1 year na tayo, it's 12 RMB na. So, um, that's just for one class, okay? Actually, yung class dito is different from other ESL companies na 25 minutes. Here is just for 22 minutes. So meron kang um, break talaga for the lesson memo. But for me, since I've been in this industry for quite a long time, medyo magaling na tayo mag-multitask. So as much as possible, tinatapos ko na talaga yung lesson memo before the class ends. Okay, para yung break ko na more than 5 minutes ay ma-allot ko for anything na I'd like to do, such as stretching or cuddling my daughter. If I were to compute it, ang 1 hour is basically 24. Okay, sa rate ko ngayon, which is 12 RMB. So, maging, of course, 12 times 2, okay, you do the math, 24 yon. So, it's around 215, okay, sa ano ngayon, sa exchange rate, okay, 215. Not bad na rin, 'di ba? So, if you would work for 4 hours, okay, kung iko-compute natin, 215 times 4, okay, that's 860, okay, for 4 hours na work. So, not bad na din, 'di ba? Okay, automatic na talaga siya nag-i-increase without any ano na siya, any other rules, additional rules, wala siya. By the way, iba ang rate sa day shift, okay? They have day shift actually. So, sa case ko, 11 yung day shift and then the night shift is 12 RMB. For me, yes, it's lower than the rate I get from my other company. You might ask me why I stay here, eh, meron namang mas malaking meron naman ako isang company na mas higher yung rate. In fact, it's a dollar rate. Okay? So, I may not be discussing that for now kasi focus muna tayo sa speaker. Okay? Aside from the hourly rate, um, we also have this incentive. Okay, like an perfect attendance incentive. So, sa tansya ko, parang laging around 500 pesos siya per cut off. So, if perfect yung ano mo, yung attendance mo for the whole month, then you'll get 1,000, more or less 1,000 yon. Regardless of your teaching hours. Kasi ang inaano lang naman nila, ang tawag dito, yung nire-require lang naman nila is at least 2 hours. By Monday to Friday ang work mo dito, at least 2 hours, and that should be from 7 to 9 p.m. Parang yun ang pinaka-required nila. Pwede kang magdagdag, but of course, hindi pwede magbawas. So, at least 2 hours. Okay? So, kapag ma-perfect mo yun, you get 1,000 more or less in a month. Not bad na rin, diba? Other reasons why I stay, because I like the management a lot. Doon talaga. Their policies are always consistent. Sa 1 year ko parang wala pang nagbagong policy, parang gano'n at gano'n pa rin talaga. And, they're not so strict with the evaluation. Actually, we don't have, regular evaluations. Um, as far as I could remember parang, na-evaluate lang ako, um, yung yung time na bago, yung parang few days after na-hire ako. Parang yun lang. Siguro meron lang mga once or twice, not I can't remember. Pero hindi siya talaga kagaya ng ibang companies na may regular evaluation or we call that QA. So, isa yan sa maganda kasi hindi ka nape-pressure. Although, of course, you have to do your best in every class you have, right? As teachers, it's our responsibility to always improve, diba? And to follow company rules and regulations. Meron, kasi iba-iba, different ESL companies may have different um, policies na kailangan nating sundin. Diba? Even yung sa lesson memo nila, iba-iba yan sila. So, we have to strictly follow that. With regards naman to their evaluation system, I think any ESL teachers can easily follow kasi very lang din naman, very light and very easy lang. Easy. Although um, sa mga baguhan, it may not be that easy kasi they cannot even multitask yet pa unlike sa atin na mga tenured na sobrang dali na natin mag multitask. So we make sure na after ng klase, we're done with the lesson memos. And secondly, ano ba? Thirdly na yata. Pang third is yung management pag meron silang mga iko-call out, parang gine-generalize nila. They just post in our GC yung mga parang um, common mistakes ng teachers or mga weaknesses or ina-highlight nila those things na need to improve. So it's very general. Kaya if you're a responsible teacher, you not just read it, okay? You apply it in your classes. So ganyan naman din yung ginagawa ko. Truly, I mean honestly, kung ano yung mga nababasa ko kahit hindi naman siya talaga kasi hindi naman siya evaluation for my own class, generalize lang kasi, but still I make it a point to follow. Okay? And isa-isip mo talaga yon, isa puso at isa isip. Ayun. More importantly, for me, very important to, alam ko importante din sa inyo to, is yung schedule ng payout. 'Di ba? Importante sa ating lahat yon ang schedule ng payout. But here, naku kita ka sa camera anak, say hello to my vlog. Yung sweldo is not on time. Not on time, yes. Pero ba't ako nakangiti? Anyone? Anyone knows bakit nakangiti pa rin ako despite na hindi naman talaga siya on time? Yes, nakangiti ako kasi hindi nga siya on time dahil advance siya. Yes, you heard it right. Advance sila magpa-payout like 2 or 3 days in advance. Mm. Yeah, napakaganda talaga. Yes. Parang isang beses lang nagkaroon ng on time in my whole year. Parang once lang nagkaroon ng nakatanggap ako ng on time na sweldo. Isang beses lang kasi parang may nagka-problem um, sa bangko dito, hindi sa kanila actually. They were very transparent to tell us what happened talaga at that time because they felt so so bad about it actually. Naramdaman ko how bad they felt at that time kasi parang ayaw nila yung delayed. Actually, hindi siya delayed, on time siya. Pero siguro gusto talaga nila in advance yun. Minsan pa nga 5 days advance, 4 days advance, 'di ba? Nagugulat na lang ako. Ayun na, may sinend na. Ganyan, ganyan. Okay. And ano pa ba? Hmm, okey. Siguro hindi ko alam kung ano ba 'to, advantage ba 'to sa iba or disadvantage. For me, since ano na ako, been here for a long time, I mean in this industry for a long time, siguro advantage sa akin 'to. Wala silang yung mga trainings na after you get hired. They don't want to, waste your time. Ika nga. But for others, I know trainings, it, of course, hindi naman yun waste of time for the others to who want to learn, diba? Kasi very beneficial naman yun for their growth. Kaya lang yun nga, pag sa mga tenured talaga like me, na parang we really treasure much of our time. Kaya ayaw na natin ng, although, kasi pwede naman tayong mag-self-study. So, yun nga mga teach, nag 1 year na ako, last June 9th to be exact. Happy ako so far, and I really look forward to working here for many, many years, many more years. So, kahit maraming opportunities for private classes, I would still work for a company that would make me feel satisfied and would truly value my worth. Kasi maganda pa rin pag working ka sa isang company, sa isang ESL company that is, of course, very stable and very consistent when it comes to their policies. Yung pay naman ay hindi naman yung pucho-pucho. Let's not live to work. Okay? Let's not live to work. Let's work to live. Because again, a job is just a way to support our life, and our personal life is far more important than our professional. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you're always updated on our next videos.